Is that a B&B, or is that just the name of their house? We'll go this way. See if this has got water on it. Parsonage. I bet. Got gravel in the middle of the turd. Seriously. Gravel in the middle of the curve makes me pucker up in a car, let alone a two-wheeler. Car, van, whatever. Some neat little picnic. Oh, that's a cool way to do a storm cellar. Just build it to the side of the hill. There you go. Why dig a big hole? Just dig straight in. It's like I do in Minecraft. Somebody's got a four-wheeler hill climb right there. Going slow because this is cool. I like this. Somebody's been four-wheeling in them woods. I see tracks. That'd be alright. Be lots of it. Holy crap, this is straight freaking up. No, not really, but it feels like it. Seldom on these videos that I actually turn around. Oh. And we leave the pavement. Awesome. Very seldom I turn around, but for water, I will turn around. If I'm just out for funsies, I am not playing in the water. Woo! That is weird. Missed those divots. Stay neutral. Oh, I've been this way. Okay. Yeah, I've been this way the other direction. Actually, if I remember, it's arguably better to go a smidge faster than you might think on gravel because it makes it act different. But I'm not going to go till I'm uncomfortable. That'd be foolish. I want to make it through reasonably, not do something silly. That tire loose whenever I want if I'm not careful. Hopefully I'm in like third gear or something, so it's at least a little less likely. Actually, surprisingly good traction back there. This is not liking this. Ooh! Hee hee. Hopefully nobody's coming. I am. Ah, pavement. Yay. Woo. That was fun. What did I... Oh! Haha, here's where I effed it up. One of my last rides. Well, not one of my last rides. A previous ride. So I want... Which way do I want to go? I go to the right and see where it takes me. It may not make old 37 after all, but I don't care. I'm gonna go this way. this way again. I just as well got on 3-story by the time I turned around for the water. But I like riding in the forest. I was wondering if I was going to come up to that intersection from the backside. That was one of last year's rides when I meant to turn there and forgot and missed it and ended up going this way for an extra 10 minutes. I'm going to go this way for a long ways today. Mattress. That's lovely. If they meant to do that. I think my brakes, are they? Somebody's brakes are hot. No, that wasn't me. That was that truck. It's just gone already. Pretty badly, but I don't care. I didn't have a destination in mind. If I had a destination in mind, I'd take the highway, not Richards Road. Doesn't that take me somewhere? Probably. Off the road, that's where it takes me. I've had enough gravel for one day. I need to edit. I've got, what, 2 videos to edit? Or 1 more, and then I'll get my first linear camera angle video. I'm doing this one linear, so we'll see if I like that better than the wide angle or not. I wonder if it'll make it feel a little faster. That wide angle kind of swallows up all sense of speed. Yesterday, but it was so daggum hot before the storm that I decided it was not a good idea. I live in Indiana. We get 90-degree days, but we just get, you know, some 90-degree days, and it was just miserable. It's that weird, sticky, like close, like tension in the air you get, where the humidity is just ridiculous and you're waiting for it all to dump out. Oh, that's where I pulled off last time to figure out where the crap I was. I'm just going to follow this because I looked it up on the map the last time I came through here. I realized I could have stayed on this and ended up somewhere cool. So we're going to see where it takes us. Look at that. Beautiful. Miss that curve, you end up at the lake. Which would be embarrassing, to say the least. Mildly inconvenient. I'm assuming those are just dead. Ran when parked, I know what I got. Graveyard way out here in the sticks. Yeah, see, this kind of road hardly needs a speed limit because you can't go very fast if you wanted to. Got a familiarity with it, and you can go faster. It would probably be ill-advised. Sweeps around. Fine. Lordy, I want to plan a group ride. This way, though. Yeah, this would be a bad plan for a group ride. Maybe onesie-twosies, but not any more than that. Vibrating. I can make that stop vibrating by tucking my knees on it. Private covered bridge, that's kind of cool. I thought that was going to do. Pop up over and to the right. Ooh, there's a road. I have to pick a direction. What road is this? That road. State Road 45. Oh, okay. Ah.